In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a shadow to any layer in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open up your project in Adobe Photoshop, and what we want to do is go ahead and double click on the layer that we want to add the shadow to. This is going to bring up the layer style property window in Photoshop. Now the option that we're looking for is drop shadow. Now you may not see any results immediately, but we're going to configure the settings so that we do. All of the settings here are fully customizable so that you can suit it to your own needs in your own projects, but I'm going to take you through the steps for my project here. So what I'm going to do is make the opacity of my shadow around 50%. I'm going to give it a little bit of a distance, make that about 10. I'm not going to alter the spread as I don't want an intense shadow on this one. And then I'm just going to bring the size up just ever so slightly. Configuring the size is really important because it determines whether you have a hard shadow like this or a soft shadow like this. So I tend to just drag it to where it just about softens, but I can still see it. With all of those settings configured, we can then go ahead and click OK, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.